Are you thinking of having a mummy makeover? Mummy makeover is a procedure where all the changes that result from a pregnancy can be reversed. I'm Dr. Ashish Davalbhakta at Aesthetics Medispa and Advanced Aesthetics in Pune, and also the lead aesthetic plastic surgeon at My Aesthetic Plus Navi Mumbai. I'll explain to you what mummy makeover actually is. So let's look at what changes happen. The number one change obviously is the tummy, which expands during pregnancy, and after the pregnancy we're left with loose skin and sometimes weak or distended abdomen. So that bulge or fold is one concern. Number two is there could be changes in the breast. The breasts enlarge, then they deflate after lactation is over, and it causes sagging, or they stay large. So in some cases they also deflate completely and you feel like you would like to have them augmented. And the third change that happens is the vagina or the perineal muscles becoming weak, and tightening of that can also be done. So for the abdomen, the procedure is called an abdominoplasty. When the skin that is folding over or in excess is removed is called a tummy tuck. You can have a breast lift, you can have a breast augmentation, you can have a breast reduction. When you combine all these three things together, it's called a mummy makeover. So all the maternal changes are reversed, and that's why the popular term which has been coined is a mummy makeover. Now, it's obviously a very beneficial procedure. Those who have had pregnancy, and they can reverse most of the changes and get back to the fit they have had prior to the pregnancy. One should think about having this done after your childbirth period is over. And the next video will talk about what sequence you should do more about it in detail. If you have liked this video, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe if you wish to listen to more videos on aesthetics.